Now is not a bad time to hop into some DG calls, guys. Not a bad time at all. Stop loss would be right around 183.91. Looks like it got rejected off of this resistance pretty handily, though. So that would probably be where we take profit. Let me look at the premiums on this really quickly here. Ooh. Yeah, it's got some decent risk. I mean, it's got a pretty tight stop loss, though. So, actually, let's play the bit higher probability play here. If it breaks this 185 mark, that's where we're going to be hopping in here. So let me add an alert here. I think we'll probably end up hopping into Dollar General today. Looks really clean, guys. Let's look at like a 1 hour chart here. Yeah, Elon, we'll probably play this with the 1K challenge for sure. So, yes, sir. Sweet. I do like this play. So basically what I'm seeing here, guys, actually, let's go to like let's go 4 hour candles. You'll be able to see this support a bit better. Basically, we're seeing this was a pretty strong resistance line here. Uh, Basically, what we're going to be looking for is for this resistance to be broken again. Theoretically, if it does, we have room to that probably 193.5 area. Probably won't hold that long. We'll probably end up taking profit, 188 or so. This could also be a really nice swing, guys, if we break above this level here. Looks like we're approaching here. Ooh, see how it just got rejected again off of it? That just makes me like this play that much more. Channel on what, Hannah? Oh. Key level alert on work. Oh, but DG. You know what, guys? Let's hop into these DG calls and then we'll check out work here. Looking at 619, 190 calls. Oh, I'm so upset that we didn't hop in already. Oh well. This could be a swing here. 619, 190 calls, guys. I like this. I just got into them. Okay, I didn't get into them on the small account though. Just a heads up. That was just on my regular account that we hopped into those. Not yet. No, we're gonna wait for confirmation before we hop in on the 1K. Sweet, guys. Yeah, for the 1K challenge, I really want to make sure that our first trade is, a high probability trade. And this one is a bit higher risk here. So this will be a resistance where we're at right now. Never mind. Blew by it. Nice, Chandon. You got in? Cool. I'm actually already up really big on it. Let's see here, up around 10%. Woo, we're pumping, guys. Let's go. By the way, guys, not a bad idea to be taking profit here. Except, dude, this has so much room. Oh, I'm so conflicted right now. You know what? Let's play this one safe. I'm gonna take profit on it. Good trade, guys. Good trade. Great. That was some hella easy money. That was a quick 15% too. Nice. Send profits, guys. Nice, Hannah. Did you just play that DG play? Out of way. What percent did you make on that one? Also, make sure to send the profits of the DG play. That one was the smoothest play that we've had in a while. That was nice. Woo. Dang, nice one, Hannah. Send profits in the profit section, guys. Easy. Oh, wait. That's making me oh shoot, work. We forgot about that one. Level alert. Nice. Easy 12.5%. Yeah, that sounds about right, Hannah. Chandon, nice. Where is work here? Nice, Hannah. I'm so happy for you. Hey, can somebody look at that work key level alert really quick? Was that a was that a short or a long signal that it gave? Short? Hmm. What was the level at? Are we too late on this one? 30.66. We really aren't that late on it, honestly. Hmm. I don't know, Hannah. It's just strange that it's in the tech sector and it's down this much. That's what's really strange to me. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of work. Kind of sketch, not gonna lie. But I mean, the bot has not been wrong often, so I wouldn't be surprised if this thing absolutely makes some people some massive money here. Um, Could SPY experience another pump? I think as long as it stays above this 320.7 line, I would hold on to calls personally. AMD, yeah, I'll look at AMD in just a second here, guys. All right. Um, ooh, definitely tempting. Definitely tempting. I think I got an alert from Microsoft though. Let's check that out first. Oh, it's still down there. I don't know what alert went off for that. Hmm. This definitely could be something here, guys. Man, I want to catch a really high probability play for our first play in the 1K challenge. So also check out that timing on taking profit there, guys. That was perfect. Yeah, that was a really easy play. Sheesh. CNX is still boosting. Etsy, huh? Let's check out Etsy, I guess. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I mean, this has proved to be a really strong support slash resistance line here on Etsy. Um, if we break and hold above it with volume, may hop into some Etsy calls. Uh, I do want to hop into Etsy calls right now, but too low of volume to justify that right now. True, Hannah. You think the bot was wrong on work, Surya? Let's check it out. Yeah, it looks like it. Maybe it reversed pretty quickly there. Theoretically, guys, if you want the VWAP strategy here, would be pretty nice. Lulu, huh? Yes, sir. It honestly does look like it's passing. I mean, it's on for sure. A key level right now on Lulu here. Let's see if it bounces or breaks. Yeah, for sure, Francisco. If it breaks this, I may hop into some kind of longer term puts, like maybe like 2 weeks out. But we shall see, I guess. Boeing. Boeing's wild lately, man. I mean, I love the stock personally. I absolutely love it. Um, just the volatility on it right now really scares me. Let's check out Disney. Looks like it, uh, Elon. Looks like, if we take this right around here on Disney, it would be good for calls. That's just intraday resistance that it's found so far. So I'm liking that ascending scallop play if it takes this out here. I wonder if we'll see the markets drop here. There's so much chop right now, guys. Look at this. Untradeable. Yeah, Buzzo, I would agree with you there. I think holding Boeing stocks long term would be a lot better than, something else than like doing some long calls on it or something like that. Not gonna lie, love seeing that you guys are already up so much today. I'm sure just like the rest of you guys, I'm pretty anxious to get into some plays. After a weekend like that, I really want to be hopping into stuff right now. However, I do want to stick to my personal trading strategy, right? And so I'm waiting for those high probability setups right now, especially after we made so much money off of GE and Dollar General already. Westland, that's a lot of money, man. Personally, I mean, I would sell, but I do take profit pretty quickly on things. So it's totally up to you. I would personally take profit though. Yeah, Hannah, I agree. I Markets are so confusing right now. I will say, guys, Microsoft is gonna play out really nicely. I think from just the price action that I'm seeing on Microsoft, this definitely looks like it's going to be our play of the week per se. Safwan, I would say both of them are good bets right now. I mean, the airlines have already pumped quite a bit. I actually haven't really paid attention to cruise companies lately. Let's check out like CCL here and see what they're doing. Yeah, I mean they've pumped too. I think if you were gonna play them, you kind of missed the boat there. Yeah, when to get into Microsoft. So what we're looking for here is this 183.44 area. If we get in there, it'll probably be a swing, but I do think we got room probably to 186.64 at the least. Oh, that's good, Safwan. I think if you are going to play those companies, I personally would just go stocks over contracts simply because there's so much risk with how volatile those things are if you have contracts. But I think stocks, you can hold them as long as you want. I think they'll make a recovery eventually. So, okay. This Etsy thing is making me upset. It keeps on alerting me that there's an Etsy breakout, but it's just the same old line, guys. I'm taking off the alert. Goodbye. Oh, I mean, Etsy puts right now actually look really nice, but the alert's going bye-bye. The thing is annoying, man. Looks like we might see a red day here, guys. SPY looks like rejected off of those highs. Um, what about Facebook? Ooh, big red on Facebook, huh? I wonder if it'll react to this trend line at all. Only time will tell, I suppose. Looks like SPY is about to die here, guys. If it takes out this 50-day moving average, we got some huge gap down plays. Obviously our next stop there would probably be, if it takes the 50-day moving average, would probably be somewhere in this like mid 319s. And then we would hit 318.4. And then, I mean, there's room down to 313 here, guys. Yeah, SPY puts do look promising. Not gonna lie. They look good. Oof. Looks like it's not just Microsoft getting beat down right now. It looks like that whole sector is. I mean, I don't know about the whole sector. I've just looked at Apple and Microsoft, but looks like it's got some room to go to the downside here. Sheesh, guys. I wonder what those GE contracts are at now. Ooh, those GE contracts are up 100% right now. Wow, that's wild. Yeah, profit's profit, Hannah. The pre-market action was pretty scary on it, so I didn't want to stay in them. You know, just sticking to my own personal trading rules. Mm, dang it. I am Westland. I'm headed out to Texas. I'm probably heading out Thursday. You, Texas. Yeah, I love vacationing. I'm planning a trip to Spain right now. That's probably my favorite place to go. My plan is to go to Spain, beginning of August ish. So I'm excited for that. The good life for sure, man. Honestly, yeah. Traveling is probably one of my favorite things. I personally love, obviously in America you don't get this, but I personally love, experiencing I love experiencing, the different cultures, stuff like that, And so vacationing's kind of my jam. Morocco. I'm down. Dave, you want to go to Spain with me? My plan is to go Madrid to San Sebastian and then to probably Toledo or somewhere around there, and then I might hike some of El Camino. But yeah, Barcelona is cool too, I gotta say. I've been to Spain. I I definitely liked Madrid more than Barcelona. I feel like there wasn't that much to do in Barcelona was my issue with it. I felt like there was kind of like one street that was quite a bit of a tourist trap, but besides that, nothing. Uh, yeah, we are still waiting to get into Microsoft here, guys. Once again, I mean, it's going to be making some bounces like that. Don't let those concern you. I mean, look at this, right? If you maybe a bit far fetched to say that it's a descending wedge, but I mean, that's kind of what it's shaping out to look like right now. If you guys see that. So, I mean, once again, I'm actually hoping that this goes to the downside more. I'm really hoping to get into like a play right around 183.4. Yeah, no sweat, Jonathan. Opinion on spy puts. Long term, I would say don't mess with the Fed. And like for like the next 2 days ish, I mean, sure. I think it's kind of sketchy just because you're going to be playing with the momentum. We got obviously some huge bull momentum right now. So I think picking up spy puts would definitely be going against the grain. Oh, day trades. Yeah. I mean, you guys know SPY is probably one of my favorite stocks to day trade. Hexo. I don't even know what Hexo is. Also, it must just be the tech sector all around that's dropping like this. Apple will always make a recovery. The bulls on Apple are freaking retarded. But let's keep on looking here, guys. Adobe's down too. See, yeah, like everything's down. Ooh. Not gonna lie, now is kind of another good time to hop into Dollar General calls. You're still holding those Dollar General calls, Kevin? Yeah. So your stop loss is going to be right around that 185 area. I mean, we could see a pennant start to form on Dollar General. As of right now, it's probably not a pennant quite yet. I would say we would definitely want to see more touches on this top and this bottom here to see a pennant form, but definitely could. What's that, Francisco? Oh, you're still in DG too. Once again, that 185 area is going to want to be your stop loss. Yeah, it doesn't look like we've had much volume today so far. Um, Francisco, I would personally hold. I would just say have that stop loss right around that 185 area. That's what I would do. Yeah, for sure, Francisco. Looks like that was a clean retest of that broken support there for Facebook. I think we've got some downwards movement coming on Facebook here, guys. Kev, what do you have calls in? Facebook, gotcha. Yeah, it's definitely looking very bearish to me right now. I'm gonna check out premiums right now. This may be our first small account trade. Oh wait, DG made me 39 for 41. Jeez. What is FBHS? I tried to type in Facebook and I got like FBHS or some weird stuff like that. Nah, Phantom. I say I'm gonna keep it going. Maybe. Ouch. um, I don't know when to reset it. Honestly, I'm just gonna let it keep on going. But 39 for 41, man. I mean, that's kind of unheard of. I'm very proud of that. Not gonna lie. Come on, market baby. Give us some plays. You haven't made a single trade today? Yeah, I feel that, man. Get some more coffee into you. You're running low on coffee? Oh no. 5 hour energy is always a good one. Not gonna lie, Phantom, same. I used to be way worse though. I used to be super into those energy drinks, right? Like Red Bull. I don't know if you guys know what Bang energy is, but I used to drink a lot of those. I've changed my ways though. I now am a coffee person only. What's the AMD doing right now? Dude, AMD's so choppy right now. There, like, I'm sorry, but there's no way that you can play that chop. Unless maybe you could play like that downside play past 52.4. But at that point, I think I would rather just wait for a bounce off of this symmetrical triangle. Not gonna lie, Hannah. So I went to Wales not too long ago, right before this whole coronavirus thing happened. And I have got to say, it made me absolutely love tea. One of my favorite things in the world. Like black tea, green tea, blueberry infused tea. Like, dude, it's all so good. Not gonna lie. It's freaking amazing. No way, Hannah. That's awesome. Yeah, Wales was really fun when I was there. I was there not too long ago. I'm sure some of our older members remember when I was there. I think that was probably like a month or two ago. No, definitely not a month. Probably like 2 months ago that I was in Wales. It was right before lockdown happened. CBD infused tea. Interesting. Definitely want to see SQ to the downside here, guys. Like I was saying earlier, SQ is one of those possible plays of the week that I am seeing right now. You know, probably hop in either at 86.55 at a bounce of that, or probably 84.54 area, somewhere along this trend line as well. Maybe if we start from the bottom up, we'll see something. Why am I on 3-minute candles? What am I doing? Maybe we'll see something different though. NLK, NKLA going to the next Tesla. Uh, Personally, I don't even like Tesla, so I would say it's not a good thing if they become like Tesla. I will say that. Ooh, another key level alert, guys. Sono. What the heck? Um, well, safe to say, guys, maybe a little late on that one. Jeez, look at that candle. Wow. That did not signal soon enough. Uh, yeah, because the key level alert is right here. Yeah. Not getting in that one. I will say that much. There's just so much chop right now. I mean, no really clear market direction, you know? Like if you look at this right now, that's really just all chop that we're seeing. So no, we didn't get into AMD. I'm on all cash right now. Not yet, Chandon. We have not. McDanks here. Let's see here. Let's check out the premiums here for McDonald's. This could be a potential play. Possible. Let's look at like those probably. Yeah, we could do it. So this is a bullish engulfing candle right here, right? So we see downward trend and it has taken up the previous three bodies, even more than that. So I do like this play here, especially if we break this high right here. This is like, I like to call it like the coronavirus high, you know? So if we take this out, we'll probably hop in. DG up pretty good. Oh, geez, how did it go so low? That, oh, never mind. It didn't. Ooh. Ascending scallop, by the way, guys. Good play there on DG. Where did McDonald's go? The one issue I have is just how high on the RSI it is right now. Yeah. What settings is my trading view set up? Yep. So we got pivot points, 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average. We got VWAP. We got the volume indicator. I have Bollinger Bands, but like they're hidden. I don't really use Bollinger Bands. They're kind of useless, honestly. I mean, some people are really good at using them. I'm just not. We got the MACD, and we also have the RSI. Did that answer your question, crown holder? Huh. That's an interesting gap. Yeah, that's what it looks like right now, Hannah. Mm. Come on, baby. Give me something to play. What candles are you looking at for that gravestone, Jonathan? The fives. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Ooh. Zoom ascending scallop forming Kroger double bottom. Nice, Grant. Easy money all day, every day. Oh, Hannah, sometimes it's delayed like that. Like sometimes they'll send you a notification way after it actually happened. Happens to me all the time. Don't worry about it. Daryl, sell what? Oh, DG? You should probably take profit on DG right now. That's what I would personally do. But once again, it's up to you, I guess. We took profit on DG already, Daryl. Yeah, Buzzo, that's what I've been doing too. My strategy's been I usually take profit on 2/3 pretty quickly, and then I usually let the last third run a little while. Let's see how AMD reacts to this. If we break the 200 moving average for AMD, I may end up hopping into calls there. I'm sorry that we haven't gotten into any plays yet for the 1K challenge. My thing is I just want to make sure that we're really only doing, high probability plays, and a lot of these have been a bit sketchier. So I'm just trying to keep it safe. Yeah, GK. AMD calls. I'll buy some if it breaks the 200 moving average, and I'll probably swing them. Yeah, for sure, Elon. Totally makes sense. Anyway, though, putting the 1K challenge behind us, guys, I'm up, let's see, I'm up 1.08% on my account already today. Very happy about that. You guys want to do a 5K challenge, Hannah? Not yet. Oh, you're saying just take this thing to 5K. Yeah, we'll definitely see. I mean, and the way that you're going to grow a small account like this, honestly, is going to be those high probability plays, you know? So cool. Yeah, no, Elon, we'll keep the 1K going. We haven't even done a trade yet on it. Bruh, Uber, who did this to you? Who made you so mad? Actually, though, Uber calls right now. Not gonna lie. Let's see if this. Ooh. Uber may be giving us a really great opportunity here, guys. Thank you, Daryl. Daryl, how long have you been with us? You know what, guys? I like this Uber play a lot, actually. Let's definitely a high risk play. Uh, yeah, you know what? Let's do this for the small account, guys. This will most likely be a swing on Uber, but let's do this. Nice, Daryl. I'm glad you're digging it so much. Let's go with those 619 $37 calls, guys, on Uber. We're just gonna buy one. Let's just wait a second here to see how this plays out. Yeah, let's watch this candle here, but this is looking like a pretty fine play, if I say so myself, guys. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for right now. I was just not sure if it had already bounced here. We'll see how this candle reacts. Once again, guys, looking at those 619 $37 calls for Uber. Possible swing. Let me just double check these here. Yeah, cool, guys. Let's hop into them here. We may see a little bit more movement to the downside, but we're gonna hop into them here. Uh, Great. Actually, it looks like it was a perfect time to hop in. Nice. Cool. So 619, $37 calls. We got in at, I just bought one, guys. Got in at 1.3. You'll be fine, Meep. Just make sure that you don't swing this. Oh, we're already up 10 bucks on it, guys. Nice. LOL. I'll take it. Already up 1% on the small account. We just entered our first small account trade, Kev. You did. We're already up 1% on the account. Actually, 0.78% on the account now. Yeah, we bought one contract for the small account, guys. We are up $7 on it right now. DGLY. Yeah, I'll do that right now. We're basically just waiting for Uber here, so. Daryl, we do it most trading days. Like I would say usually it's probably 4 days a week, unless I go on vacation, which happens quite a bit, not gonna lie. Um, I don't know, I guess how often would you guys say that we usually do these Zoom calls? For those of you guys that have been with us for a little bit. I am a vacation fiend. 4 days a week usually. Yeah. Yeah. So usually it's like 4 out of 5 trading days. If you're gonna hop into DGLE, I forget who was asking about that. Break of 4.13. Ooh, Uber. Pop off. I'm into it. I'm into it. Ooh, target price. Nice catching me off guard. I haven't even gotten that far yet. Uh Probably should have before we even entered the trade, actually. Stop loss will be this trend line here for sure. That's what we already know, which is kind of the most important thing. I would say first stop on this is probably going to be like 36.63. Actually, yeah, 36.63 looks huge. Um, After that, probably looking somewhere around that 37 area. Basically, the idea here, guys, is it's obviously got a clear upwards trend. Um, we're playing the bounce off of that lower support on this trend. Uh, Also, what we're seeing here, guys, is we do like this long candle wick here on the 1 hour candle. Just that shows a clear rejection of those price points. So Daryl, actually, how the referral program works is if 3 people join under your personalized discount code that Isaac can give you, basically you get to stay in for free. As long as those 3 people are in, you stay for free as long as they're in. Daryl. And so, like, I know, for example, like Elon, I know that he's been in here for free for, what would you say, Elon? Probably a couple months, probably like 2 months now. Yeah, Eric, find that one more. Yeah, probably around 2 months now. Elon has been in here for free just because he got people in. Cool, Daryl. Make sure before you invite them, I'm doing this to help you out. DM Isaac and ask Isaac for a personal discount code. Oh yeah, there's Isaac. Make sure to DM him because that way you can actually give your friends a discount code to get them in for a cheaper price. Sebastian. Yeah, so you just need to keep at least 3 members in. Like say for example you have 4 people in under your code and one leaves, like you're still in for free just because you still have 3 people. What the heck, SPY? Crazy stuff going on, guys. I will tell you. It's showing up as Sebastian Diaz. Look at BYND. How about you look at BYND, Kevin? How about that? Oh no, I'm just joking. We'll go into it right now. Check it out. Dude, BYND zoomed. What the heck? I do like BYND. You guys remember that BYND trade that we got into? All you guys were freaking out. It was a swing. All you guys were freaking out because the swing was down like 50 or 60% or something like that. I think actually it probably went down like 70% at one point. And I was like, no, guys, stay patient, whatever. Like, we're totally fine. Yeah, it was down 75%. And I was like, no, guys, we're okay. We're okay. Like, don't worry about it. And then it was scary for small accounts, for sure. But then I remember we ended up finishing like up something crazy, like 100% or something like that on the contracts. It's a pretty good time, not gonna lie. Especially if you average, 150% per contract. It was a killer play that all of you guys were freaking out about. It was kind of funny. I mean, I understand why you were freaking out. Like, I totally understand that, but still, pretty comical. Okay, 50% is still pretty good, Phantom. I don't want to hear any complaining. Okay. Yeah, Alon, I agree. It looks really good to me too. We are up currently around, what is that? Probably like 3% on the play right now. Um, we could, I mean, we are hitting some pretty hard resistance here. We could theoretically take profit at this next leap here. I would say I would even say that this looks pretty decent for a swing trade though. Personally, just looking at my own personal technical analysis here. Swing trade's looking pretty fancy on this thing for sure. Yeah, they do, Alon. AMD calls. Oh, you guys know I love AMD. Probably one of my favorite stocks right now. Yeah, if it takes that 50-day moving average, we will buy calls on it. The one thing I like about AMD is how quickly those premiums move. I like how you got some of those stocks that like the premiums lag an insane amount, right? But for AMD, for the most part, they do move pretty much with the underlying stock, which is what you usually want to see. Once again here, guys, we are seeing a consolidation period on AMD right now. Pick up some 619, probably 53 calls when the time comes. Not yet. I'm just saying what I'm looking at. I am kind of thinking about taking profit on Uber here soon. This consolidation is kind of annoying me. I hate having to look at plays so often and like regulating them so much, Thoughts on swinging Diz? I'll let you know once when we figure out what we're doing with the AMD here, but I want to first get this through. What are you in right now, Kev? Nice. Chris, it's not like you to have those diamond hands, man. Usually you're scalping that stuff so quick. Usually it's like in and out in like 10 seconds, which I mean, I don't have a problem with. I've done it before. I'm into it, but where is Uber? Oh, there's Uber. Haha. We could take profit here on Uber theoretically, guys. I'm honestly thinking about it. Mm, scared money don't make money. Am I right? Let's see if we can. Tweezer tops. This is one thing that you do not want to see when you're long in a position. The good old tweezer tops. This is like the death of a long position right here. The tweeze. You guys make me laugh. Not gonna lie, you guys make trading so much more fun. Did it break the tweeze? No, it hasn't yet. Come on, baby. Yeah, see, I'm looking at both of these up here, guys. And both of these highs are 36.54 on these candles, which is a tweezer top. So basically, we're watching. If it breaks that, we should have some room to the upside, or we could see a reversal here and Uber could die. I'll leave this one up to you guys. What do you guys think? And risk it for the biscuit or what? We're up around, we're up about 1% on the account right now. You're TPing? Okay. Yeah, let's wait a second on this though first before we do so. I do want to see how this candle ends up playing out, but I'll get ready to TP if you guys want me to. Okay. You must have got a bad entry then, Hannah. Yeah. Bad entries happen. I haven't taken profit on it yet personally. I do want to see how this plays out. Hmm. Oh. If you guys really want to get freaked out, we can just do. So, Surya, on the small account, we have not taken profit yet, or I haven't at least. I know a lot of people have. I'm personally still up. I'm up $9 on the contract right now. I do want to see how this 36.54 mark plays out, if we retest it or not. So I'm kind of waiting on that right now. Um, Definitely not a bad idea to take profit, but I guess here's my thought process. If we want to keep the streak going, we would be taking profit here, right? Make it 40 out of 42, whatever. However, I think we still got some hella upside potential on this. Dude, why is everybody raving about NKLA? It does look good as a swing, Chandon. Hopefully we wouldn't have, what the heck? Wait, hold up. 71%, huh? I feel like that's a bit absurd. 71% is a bit high, if I say so myself. Wait, is somebody, Jonathan, are you in NKLA? Wow. Well, lucky you guys. When did you guys get in that? You guys got in last week. Wow. Congratulations. If you guys took profit on that, send profit in the profit section, guys. Wait, Grant, your contract's up 1000% or your account is up 1000%? Dude, Grant, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm sorry. That's an L. Well, looks like Uber's locked in a bit of consolidation right now, guys. We're still up $9 per contract right now. Just waiting on this one. You prefer Lyft? That's good to know. Thoughts on Walmart? Well, I guess since Uber is like watching paint dry, we'll check out Walmart. It might start ranging today. If we see a break of this level right here, that like 119.6-ish, we could start seeing a descending channel form. Kind of up in the air right now, though. I don't see any advantage one way or another for Walmart. Come on, baby. All we need you to do is break that 36.54. And I know you can do it. You watch paint dry as a living. Oh, straight up, do you? Like what do you do, Geoff? Once again, Daryl, all I'm in right now is Uber. Um, here's my deal, Daryl, is I really, I'm anxious like you guys to get into plays right now. However, I really don't want to just be throwing trash at you guys. I really do want to give you guys quality plays. So I am not gonna signal anything, whatever, until I see another, good probability play. Nice, Daryl. Dude, send all your profits in the profit section. Dude, exactly. Dude, Wagyu steak is so good. So good. You guys don't even understand. Actually, I'm sure you guys do. Lil Uber. Oh my gosh. Lil Ubervert. That's comedy right there. Oh my gosh. Well played. Lil Lil Ubervert. Oh, is Uber gonna break it? All right, polls, guys. Is Uber gonna break it or not? Is she go? Oh. Okay. We need to see a bit more volume on this bad boy, but then we're home free. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. Dinger derby. Gone forever. Nice. To take profit or not to take profit? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind. Hold. Sheesh. Phantom is feeling risky today, huh? Yeah. Here's my deal is I don't want to treat this like it's in my regular account, right? Because like I have one contract of this, for the small account. So I don't want to treat it like, oh, I only have one contract, whatever. I don't care what happens to it because this is a small account play. It's not my regular account, whatever. Whoever just said to hold, ouch. Nah, I'm just messing, guys. You're good. Uber looks fine still. We'll keep on holding it. No, Alon, I'm still in it. Dude, what happened? That's some major price rejection. Sheesh. I'm just trying to see why it rejected off of that. So I guess that actually is a huge point there. Yeah, that rejection was a fatty. Whatever. We'll hold it. You guys are funny. Okay. Let's keep on watching here, guys. Dude, Kev, I'm so happy for you, man. Hmm. DG, huh? I ain't even looking at that one. AMD's dying again. Nice, nice. Square, goodbye. Uber dropped. Sorry, we'll get to it in just a second here. Dude, Westland, I feel that, bro. The freaking what do they call it? The what's it called? The price, The price improvement is amazing. Not gonna lie. It's freaking beautiful. That's kind of a funny pattern. Look at that. That looks kind of cool. Not gonna lie. BYND boosting. I'm thinking about hopping in Dollar General again, guys. Yeah, probably Dollar General calls. I mean, we saw a huge reaction off of this last time, right? I mean, big price point either way, that 185 support. Let's check out the premiums really quickly here. This would be a high risk play though. Runs away. Hmm. You know, scared money doesn't make money though, as the old saying goes. Where did these? Oh, there it is. Dude, Brendan, 380% on shares. You're a freaking beast. Dude, Hannah, 43 bucks is big money. That's awesome. What percent on your account is that? Geez, 5% on your account in one day? That's wild. I totally feel that. 5% daily goal is definitely a lot, but it's definitely doable. My daily goal is usually you know what, guys? Let's actually hop in one of these for the small account. High risk, high reward is how I look at it. Ooh, actually, should I just do it on my regular account? So much confliction, guys. Yeah, I'll just do it on my regular account. Never mind. It's not a small account play. What I'm gonna be getting into is 612 $187.5 calls. GK. I might not signal this one just because it's definitely a very high risk play. 187.5s, yeah, 612. I probably won't signal this one, guys, just because it's high risk. Oh no, my phone's at 10% battery life. This ain't good. Yeah. Somebody just said Uber is zooming again. Well, I like to hear it. This play looks really nice. Oh, huh. Confusing, but I'll take it. The bullish engulfing, always a good thing to see until it starts hitting this here. Dude, it literally cannot pass this level, huh? Sorry, guys. I'm thinking to myself right now. That's my bad. So we have calls in Uber right now. Yeah, that resistance, it looks like here. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at here. What we're seeing is something right around like this area. And we see, obviously, we got rejected off of it twice, actually got rejected off of it quite a bit already today. We also see, though, that this was a resistance. What is that? Probably like 3 days ago, 2 days ago. That was a resistance then. Um, support. It definitely looks like a very solid supply demand zone, guys. I'm thinking we take profit on this. If it goes past, I think I want to take profit, but I also don't. I don't know. We're gonna hold it, whatever. It's a small portion of the small account, so we'll hold for now. It is. What I'm really interested in is Dollar General. To enter or not to enter. There's such low volume on that drop. Sheesh. Hmm, cool. I totally agree, Hannah. These choppy markets are so annoying. We've been making some really good money in them though, so I'm not necessarily complaining, but just annoying, man. With how choppy they are, it's so hard to get into plays. No, it won't be, Hannah. Once when this whole coronavirus thing is over, our markets will go back to normal. AMD approaching call entry. Should probably have been paying more attention to AMD. Looks like it. We could theoretically rush the gun and pick them up here. Friend for daddy. You guys make trading so much more interesting when the markets are like this, not gonna lie. So Phantom, I saw that you said to take profit on Uber. However, it seems like I should be doing the exact opposite of whatever you say, right? So I'm gonna hold this thing a bit longer. I hope you guys know I'm just messing with you guys. Dude, what the heck is SPY right now, too? Like, what? Like, that makes no sense. Anyway, that's beyond the facts. Oh, Microsoft. I totally forgot about that. Oh, oh well. We'll wait for higher probability play for Microsoft here. Did I cop them? No, not yet. I want to see what happens to this line here before I hop in any. If it comes back above it, I'll probably hop in them. Looks like it might bust here. This is the 185.04 line, which it's literally on right now. Oh gosh, that's so loud. Got to turn down my volume if that ever happens again. Nice. Uber's fighting hard, I guess. It is nice that we're seeing a bit higher lows on Uber. I mean, we're still in profit. Let's see. Yeah, we're about $5 above entry right now. Sorry, guys. The nice part about the markets those past 2 days was it had some really solid volume. Like right now, volume isn't necessarily great, but I guess take what you can. Honestly, this looks kind of like an entry for calls right now on AMD. We could theoretically see it back to this trend line, but I think I'm going to pick some up right now. Hmm. AMD 619, $53 calls here, guys. I'm picking up one for the small account. Possible swing. That's correct. $53 strike. Sorry, hold up just a second here, guys. Um, yeah. So those AMD 619 $53 calls. Yeah, Kev, I hopped in those AMD calls. So once again, guys, all we're really in right now is AMD calls, and we're also in those Uber calls. Kind of low volume though right now, not gonna lie. AMD is definitely a possible swing. It has a little bit of risk to it. Uber's just being annoying, so I'm probably gonna take profit on Uber soon here. I'll let you guys know how much I'm up on Uber. Yeah, I'm up $4 on Uber right now. It's just being really annoying. So may end up taking profit on it. We'll see though. Oh wait, did I say 37? No, 53. Microsoft. Yes, sir. Microsoft is looking real nice. If it breaks this high of the day, it could see some hella upside. We could even possibly see, power hour play off of these lines here like we were hoping to do. Oh, we should probably check out our other high probability plays that we're looking at, like SQ over here, right? Doesn't look like much is going on with them at this moment currently. Got to back up for this AMD. But AMD is looking solid. What we're expecting though is just a bounce off of this. We'll probably play the break either way. Probably the break up or the break down on AMD. No, Hannah, I'm in AMD right now. I was just talking about that play of the week that we were looking at. That's the symmetrical triangle here. Super slow day today, guys. Not gonna lie, the market is being freaking annoying. I just want to play, getting some nice, easy plays, but no, market's deciding to freaking slow its ass down quite a bit. I'll let everybody know that it's just a slow day right now. Daryl, you're already up almost 7%. Nice, man. Once again, man, if you're happy with the gains that you have right now, feel free to totally liquidate everything you're in right now. If you're happy with where you're at, that's what I do a lot of the times. Just if I'm nice, Daryl. Well, I'm happy that you're up so much already, man. Is this your first day with us or like your first trading day, I mean? Nice. Well, I'm super happy for you, man. I really am. I'm just gonna take profit on. I really just want to take profit on Uber to get it off of the plate. It's kind of just annoying to have to be dealing with right now. Yeah, well, super happy for you, man. Um, AMD consolidation or slow dip? Well, let's look at it. Basically, I mean, definitely a dip, guys. I don't think you can really call that consolidation. We're just watching for the kind of like double bottom pattern that's forming right now, right? So what we're seeing is, right? I don't know how I'm going to be able to draw this. So we're seeing we had downward movement, right? One bottom, second bottom, right? So now we can expect with a break over that neckline there, we can expect some big movement to the upside. The reason why I wanted to rush this a little bit is just because I'm pretty bullish on AMD anyway, at least long term for sure. So I kind of wanted to rush it a little bit. That's pretty strange that it does that, Brendan. It's kind of funny. Ooh, this market is boring today, guys. Terrible markets. I'm thinking about adding into Uber here. We are about, let's see here. Yeah. Uber's at break even right now. I am thinking about adding into it though. Actually, let's see if it dips anymore before we commit more capital to it. I haven't yet, guys. I'm just saying I'm thinking about it. First off, I want to see what we're going to do with AMD here. I'm going to take profit on AMD, guys. Do we take profit though? You know, I'm really feeling ballsy today, guys. So I may not take profit on it right now. May let it go, but it's probably a smart idea to take profit just because it's at VWAP. I'm a mess today. I'm gonna take profit on AMD. Just kidding. I was hoping to get out at that VWAP. We haven't taken profit yet. Sorry for the confusion, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, Buzzo. Well, as of right now, guys, we have about 30% of that small account in place. So we are looking to maybe trim some, take profit where we can. Here, I need to move Uber and AMD next to each other here, so we can switch between them better. No, totally, Hannah. I mean, that's how, I grew my account so much, was by being super safe like that. So yeah, I'm gonna take profit on AMD right here, guys. And I just took profit on AMD. All right, we're still in Uber. Honestly, guys, I really am thinking about adding more into Uber. It looks so good, guys. It really does. Even if we go to like the 1 hour right here, it looks absolutely beautiful. Alon, I'm still in Uber. I haven't taken profit on Uber yet. Mm. My coffee is so cold now. Gosh darn it. Oh, yeah. I would definitely re-enter if I pick up another one. Hmm. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna actually add another Uber here. Wait, Phantom, were you playing Spy? Yeah, definitely. So it's 619 $37 calls on Uber. So I guess it's not technically an average down because we're at what? I guess it's technically an average down because we are down like $1 on per contract. But yeah, sure. We just bought another contract of Uber. Looks really good to me personally, guys. I think swing wise, it's looking nice. It's basically so this is basically the same setup that we had on GE, right? So let me show you guys here. So let's go to the 1 hours really quick. It's literally the exact same setup, right? So we see this trend line here and we see it retesting it here. That's exactly what we had going on with that GE swing that just banked us like 50%, right? We had this trend line here. We saw that retest and then we hopped in. We hopped in calls right here. And when we swung it, huge gap up play. GE kind of pumped when market opened. The Uber calls were 619 $37 strike, I believe. Wait, I thought NKLA was going up. Bruh, that is some price swings. Sheesh. I mean, even just the implied volatility increase that you would get on this thing would have been huge, even if it opened up at the same point that it, uh, at the same point that it, what should I call it, that it closed. Like even just the implied volatility would have made your contracts worth so much more. Kind of wild. You're gonna go. Oh wait, you have a stop loss at 10%. Oh, you're saying 10% above where it's at right now. You're saying like right around 1.38 per contract? Oh, okay, that makes sense. I was gonna say a 10% stop loss would probably be an issue with our Uber play because we definitely have room to gap down here. Hey, playing smart is a good thing. Yeah, Mary Rose. I just bought one more contract for the small account. So the small account now has two contracts with Uber. So we have about how much of our account is in that? So we have about 26% of our account in Uber right now. Hmm. Bought 612 instead of 619. What should I do? Oof. I mean, that's going to be a bit riskier. Yeah, I would definitely take profit earlier. Um, I guess you probably could swing that one day. Um, After that, though, I would definitely make sure that you don't swing it more than one day. Yeah, if Uber doesn't move today, then we'll swing it into tomorrow. Anyway, guys, let's do one more go through on the watch list, and then I'm probably gonna sign off, make myself some breakfast, whatever. Ooh, Apple. No, not Apple. Not yet, anyway. I mean, actually, it's probably a pretty good point to buy Apple calls, but I just want to wait for that Hive all-time high before I get in. Anyway, guys, let's go through the watch list one more time. Man, I'm kind of sad that we couldn't do the live trading when the market was absolutely wild and we made like a buttload of money. What was that, like Thursday and Friday last week? Those live trading sessions would have been so much fun. And yeah, you're right. Market will give us more opportunities like that. I remember it was one of the best days I had ever, maybe not I had ever had, because when you first start off your account, you generally have some bigger percentage gains. But I remember when I first started out, or I mean, it was probably the biggest day I've had in a really long time. I was up 15% on my account. I remember it was absolutely wild. We'll go to that. I'm gonna actually go all the way through the watch list really quick here. Once again, AMD is still a buy for me personally, right around this area here. If we lose this spot, this 52.4, I think the new buy area would probably be either 52.2 or so. Yeah, Friday was some big gains, not gonna lie. Made some absolute bank. Okay. So guys, SQ is doing what we want. We want it to drop down. We're looking to enter a position in SQ soon here. Oh wait, we skipped by Uber. Oh, nice. Looks like that averaged down on Uber. Oh, I have 5% on my phone. Well, Alon, you can't really have a stop loss overnight necessarily. You know what I mean? Because a lot of times it'll just blow right by it and stuff. Um, so yeah, there wouldn't technically be a stop loss on it, but oh, for me today, stop loss is going to be this trend line here, right? It's going to be a technical stop loss. Once again, we're up pretty nice on Uber right now. Yeah, so I don't necessarily have a percentage stop loss, but I have that trend line. That trend line would probably be around, I would guess probably 15% would be the stop loss at that trend line. McDanks. What a company. Yeah, GK, I'm getting there. I just want to go through the watch list so I kind of got an idea of what's going on right now, but it's getting there for sure. Kroger is set up really nice right now. Might start ranging here between 32.6 and 32.44. Wait, so Phantom, what spy play are you in right now? And how heavy are you in it is the real question. Oh gosh. That's always an L, bro. The 0 days. Ooh, the VWAP strategy looks really nice on BAGK. That's a really great find that you found there. I mean, I probably won't do that just because of the frickin' volatility of this monster, but it looks like it's actually respecting it really well. Oh, Phantom found it. Yeah, it looks really nice, guys. So, I mean, you guys, I've taught you guys the VWAP strategy. You guys know how to play that. So, yeah, I'm not going to signal that, but I would suggest though if you are going to do the VWAP strategy on this, make sure that you're taking profits pretty early. Don't let it run that much. Take profit pretty early on it. Make it pretty quick scalps. Tesla, LOL. Goodbye. Oh no. Come back. Wait, what's happening? Hold up, Phantom. Are you still in those SPY calls? Oh, sad. Yeah, you see, GK. That's going to be the problem with Boeing right now. Is that the implied volatility on that thing is massive. Which is going to make it hard to really find any semi-reasonable premiums. Oh shoot, bro! I'm so sorry. BYND. Sheesh. That thing is crazy. Yeah, one thing I do appreciate about BYND is that when it runs, it runs. You know what I mean? But also that can totally screw you. But it is one of the stocks that I do like to play quite a bit. Wait, is it at? Oh no, it's not at all-time highs. I was tripping for a second, bro. All right, that's got some room, but dude, I would not mess with the BYND bulls personally. No, Kevin, they didn't. Look, let's go to the 4 hours. Look at the chart right here. Yes, sir. Now, where's Uber at? Come here, boy. Oh, yeah. Uber's looking fine, guys. It's looking good. Sweet. Let me check out SQ right now. I was actually seeing something kind of similar to that. What time frame are you looking at for SQ? The 1 hour? Oh, cool, cool. Yeah, it's looking decent. My thing is I really do think that it has a lot of room to the downside, right? I could be wrong, and it could go up more. If it does, good for them. But I really do think it has room to this 86.52 at the minimum. I think it could also possibly reach this trend line. So that's why I'm kind of just waiting for that pullback on SQ here. Ooh, we forgot about Microsoft, guys. That was going to be like my favorite play. Wonder what it's doing. Oh, it looks like bounce off of the high of the day here. Yes, sir, Surya. Cool. Is it? Let's check it out. QQ and Microsoft. Oh, geez, yeah, it is. Good find there. We could have gotten caught in some hella fake outs. That could have been bad news. So good job catching that one. All right, guys. I'm not really seeing anything right now. Market is moving super slow. So I think I'm going to sign off for now. Once again, the only play that we are in currently is Uber. Yeah, and I'll be watching Uber obviously throughout the day. Yeah, definitely see you guys power hour though. All right. It was a good time. I'll see you all. I'm glad I'm trying to remember that dude's name. It was his first day in here, and he was super pumped because he was up so much. Daryl. Um, well, happy that Daryl's with us. Yeah, for sure. I'll see you all. Great day of trading again. I mean, it's not finished yet. We still have Uber, but another good day, guys. Slow gains today, not big, but we're getting there. All right, see you all.